Let's take it further with a branch switch, where you can arrange your LEDs in any layout you like. You can easily add more LEDs by adding more vertical branches. The LEDs were arranged in a straight line. The branch switch, where each LED sits on its own vertical branch. These branches extend between the battery connection at the top of the page and the switch gap at the bottom. You can place LEDs anywhere along the branch. This makes it simple to create custom and irregular light arrangements in your sequence switches. Let's grab your materials and build it. You will need 3 Launchpad LEDs, 1 Launchpad battery, conductive tape, 2 binder clips, 6 clear yellow stickers, and a pair of scissors. Stick conductive tape over the blue lines. Be sure to leave a gap in the conductive tape beneath each LED so the LED pads can make contact with the tape on either side. And the red lines on the template. Place the 3 Launchpad LEDs over the matching footprints. Make sure the positive and negative pads of each LED match the footprint. Tape each Launchpad LED in place using the clear yellow stickers and tape over each pad. Place the Launchpad battery over the matching battery footprint and clip the battery into place with the binder clips. Cut along the bold black line at the bottom of the page and fold the switch flap up along the dotted line. Press and slide your finger across the switch. Lights come on in sequence as you go. Flip to the next page and complete your scene with your own drawing. What jumps up and down as you slide your finger across the page? Share your creation with us using hashtag Chibitronics on social media. Want to see even more magic happen? Scan the QR code and follow along. We can't wait to see what you make.